everyone, I'm Brandy and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm super excited. I got my FabFitFun box in the mail and I wanted to unbox it with you. I haven't seen anything in here. I did just open it just to see if everything is packaged together, and we're gonna jump into what's inside here. Before I get started, I did purchase this with my own money. This was not sent to me. I'm not affiliated with FabFitFun in any way. This is my second box that I've gotten from them, and I just wanted to show you guys what's inside. So if you're interested in getting one of these boxes, you can kind of see what the idea is, what comes inside, and if it's really worth your money. I'll insert a picture of what I got last month so you can kind of see and compare, and let's jump into what's inside. So first, the box is really beautiful. It comes in this nice fall packaging, very sturdy box. The box alone is gorgeous. You can reuse it for shipping things. And inside, first we have our little magazine with Christina Applegate. How does this woman stay young forever? I swear she is like a vampire or found the fountain of eternal youth. But anyway, in this magazine, it shows you basically what you have inside, gives you more product information about the brands and why they chose the things that they chose. So that's an interesting read. Has a couple of like other little pamphlets, information. If you share, you get to win something, and $3 off one of the Luna bars, which I have a Luna rice bar here. Handy for your purse, snack on the go. That's the first thing that's inside there. These I'm really thrilled about. These are the Glam Glow bubble masks. Glam Glow makes amazing masks. I was really happy to get these and try these. These alone, I believe, are $18 each. So that there pays for over half of this box. So that's amazing. Next I have a beauty blender. Now guys, this is $20 Canadian at least. So there, with these two things, that pays for your box. So if you're interested in either one of these, you're going to get more than your money's worth with this box. I'm very happy to have this. This is great. So huge score. I saw some people have like a black one. There's a nude one, of course the pink. So it's just random what color you get, and I'm fine with a pink one. Next I have another beauty item. This is the Metallist Liquid Foil Lipstick Duo. I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna just open it up for you guys right now. I've never heard of this brand, Touch in Soul. So I'm interested to see what this is gonna be like. Oh, it's like a dual-ended like liquid lip and a gloss. And it's in this really pretty like neutral shade. Just swatch it here. Yeah, that's really nice. That's very exciting too. So yay for that. I don't know how much this retails for. There's information in the booklet. But again, those first two things pays for the box, and this I'm sure is at least $15, if not more. So I'll just put the information on the bottom of the screen here. Next, I have the Grown Alchemist. This is an exfoliating, polishing facial exfoliant, pink grapefruit. So this is a new brand that I've never tried either. Let's just pop it open. Okay. Ooh, it's in a metal type squeezy tube. Interesting. That's going to be fun to try out. I don't know what the value is of this, but I will put the information below. Next we have a Blue and Capri shower gel. Let's just see what this smells like. I'll pop it open. I love shower gels. I love scented shower gels. They're nice in your bath. Okay, it smells clean, a little bit woodsy, pretty neutral smell. I think that would appeal to a lot of people. It's not anything that's overpowering, so that's super cool too. And that's a pretty big size. Next we have Simply Whimsical. These are tea towels for your kitchen, and they're just a nice neutral color palette, which should go for any home decor. I mean, it should match. It should coordinate with just about anything. Yeah, it looks like there's two here. That's fantastic. Could always use more tea towels. That's great. I chose the umbrella, so there was a choice of, you could have an umbrella or earbuds, I believe, and I chose the umbrella. And this is the color pattern I chose, just some like nice little poppies. I love red, so this is perfect for me. I go through tons of umbrellas. They break really easily. It rains quite a bit where I live, so this is fantastic. This is from the brand Catherine Maladrino. Next, a really big item in here, I have this Alfred teapot. So you could choose between either the teapot or the coffee press, and I thought for myself that the teapot would be more useful in my home. Little pretty blue and red flowers, so that's really beautiful. Excited about that. That's a really great score too. And last but not least, I chose the Vince Camuto laptop bag. And every time you order from FabFitFun, like last time was my first time ever, and I chose 2 items. So the rest was random. So this time, because I was reordering, I got to choose 3 items. And they're like upgrades and other things that you can get with this service that you can buy on, like add-ons. Oh, this is fantastic. I chose the black color. It is Vince Camuto. He's a designer brand. One of my favorite designers. It's beautiful, so this is perfect for a tablet, travel, and I'm excited about this too. And that's the box, guys. That's everything I have for you. I just wanted to show you what's inside so you can get an idea, and if you're interested, perhaps order it for yourself. I do think this is definitely worth the money. The things that I have that I really enjoy, I know are well worth more than what I paid for them. So again, thank you so much for joining me. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. I really appreciate your support. Give it a thumbs up and comment below. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everybody.